Well, you've got a brand new major player that's going to be an economic driver in our community for decades to come.
We have Siemens Mobility that's just announced a major investment in our community that brings jobs into the area.
They're going to create more than 500 jobs at an average of $51,500 a year to build passenger rail cars.
Today is a demonstration of the impact that that funding can have around the country and what it can do for passenger rail in North Carolina and other parts of the country.
This facility is really only one of two like it across the country that is building the next generation of modern trains for the entire country.
I see that Lexington right now is on the cusp of significant progressive and innovative growth.
You know, we're really excited to create careers for people, not jobs. We want to bring them in and we want to give them a lot of development. And we're just happy for the city. We think it's got a great labor pool and we think we can develop long careers for people here.